Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Glide Ultra Classic with 37,166 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with smoke turn signals, smoke fender lamps, an LED taillight, chrome floorboard covers, axle caps, a luggage rack, saddlebag luggage rails, chrome speaker trim, grips, and a Von Braun exhaust. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the ELECTRA Glide puts 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the ELECTRA Glide has a 210 to 280 mile range that has a 30.7-inch seat height and an 889-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 630 seconds, and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that there are several LED bulbs that are burnt out in the taillight. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are tears in the rider's seat and blemishes on the inner fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.